Day 46. Black Hole and Ferengi say they will deliberate, whatever that means. BattleHazard's growing a lot. Its manufacturing and industry are alarmingly high. No one's got numbers like he does, like they do. He's clearly been focusing on manufacturing. Him pulling ahead, I predict that it will be his curse. He'll be the next big one that I think people will take down. And if he's not, well then they've definitely got a chance for victory. They just need one ally who's more afraid to die than to lose. And then I think they've got a shot at winning it. It's day 46.